You've seen all those other tutorials on YouTube. Now you're about to see mine. This is how you make a 2D game on Unity. Very simple. First thing, you're going to need characters. You can use something as simple as paint right here. These are some characters that me and a person worked on from Twitter, and I'm going to use them as my main characters for a game that I have called Spooky Waves. It looks similar to Pokemon, but you don't have to move around. The basic object of the game, don't let them die. If you need to size up your characters, you might have to use Photoshop. What you would do is you go over here to image, click on image size. And as you can see, the width is 89 pixels and the height is 53. So say we just wanted to bump it up for, okay, since it's so small, say you wanted to upload this to your Instagram or something, right? It wouldn't look that great. So let's just say we bump it up to 500 pixels by the width. And you want to go down here to where it says cubic or bicubic, and you want to change it to nearest neighbor and hit OK. Now you're going to see that the image got a lot bigger and the resolution is a lot higher. To undo that, the quick keys, like I was telling you before, hit Control Z for undo, Control Y for redo. That didn't work, but okay. Control Z to go back. Anyway, let's jump back over to the game. Here we have the characters laid out. And you can add them in here into the scene. To the left is the hierarchy. This is where level 1, level 2, level 3, your characters. The game over screen, which this is just to trigger the game over screen. The game over screen is actually its own scene itself, which all the scenes are here. You can have power-ups. These are the enemies. Let's just run the test real quick just to show you what the game looks like. As you can see, the ghosts will keep coming toward the characters as they're programmed to. And if you click on them for Android or iOS, it would be a screen tap. For the PC, it'll be the click of the mouse will get rid of them. And then there's a counter that I'm working on to rack up the points to be able to buy different things. I'm also working on this gem system, which I don't know what they'll do. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section. I'll go over the code real fast. This is the main code for switching the different levels. As you can see, we have the couple game objects and the activate. But if we go down here, we have some booleans for true and false for activating the game. If you can see this and go up here, it's this boolean. You see if it's true or false. Then games will be true or false. So active game goes with games. Active go goes with game over. Like if you can see how that reads together. Then, okay, let's go to level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. There's only 5 levels. And then at the end, you get a win, which is screen manager, load scene, game over. Remember how earlier I was saying game over is its own scene and there was one to trigger it? This is it in code right here. The scene manager will trigger the game over screen when void winner. I don't know. Maybe I might have wrote something different. I don't know, going back. But anyway, that's how it's written, and that's just how it's working. Team health. Actually, everyone is sharing health just in one code, but each character is just equal to 1. So you basically have 4 lives, let's just say that. Because once you lose all 4, you have 0, and it goes to the game over screen, and you have to go back. So a boss, the tag boss, this red line right here, will be the ghost. And I could have wrote enemy, but I just put boss. And anytime one of those tags the person that is the main player, which has this collider, once this collision from you collides with the boss or the enemy, it'll take -10, which is enough to kill each person. And it goes down 1 game mechanic. Now, if we go over here to game mechanics, we'll see if it's -4 right here. You have 4. If you lose all 4, it'll trigger the game over screen. So that's some of the basics to how Unity works. I'll get more in depth with this game, but that was just the first look at Spooky Waves. I actually have a demo out. I'll put the link in the description. I have a paid one and I have a free one. So let me know what you think and hit subscribe. Check out those other videos and I'll get back with you as soon as I can.